Everybody, and welcome to the seminar on password strength, sponsored by Boise State University. Today, we will be talking about how to turn weak passwords into strong passwords to stop information thieves. When an information thief picks an account he wants to steal from, the first thing he thinks of is, okay, let's start with their dog's name. If that doesn't work, okay, let's try their birthday. You may be asking yourself, how does this thief know? How does this thief know what to try? Simple question, social media. A simple Google search will pull up your social media account, and then the information thief is free to scour away until he finds what he's looking for, until he finds the things he thinks you might use as your password. Another tactic these thieves use is they make programs of their own creation that try millions of passwords, millions of letters and numbers at a time until the password is found and the account is broken open. There's not much you can do to stop that, but you sure can make it tough on them. Alright, let's get started. Let's take this simple phrase. Jack and Jill went up the hill to fetch 2 pails of water. As it stands, this phrase is okay. The length helps, but it's very simple and it's very common knowledge. Now, let's turn that password into a very strong password. If we take the first letter of each word in that simple phrase, this is the result that we get. This password right here, this would stump an information thief for months. Another tactic to use would be take a name and alter lookalike letters for numbers or symbols. Let's look at this name, Terry Brooks. If we take certain letters and we swap them out for lookalike numbers or symbols, this is the result that we get. We take the E and we turn it into a 3. We take the O's, we turn them into zeros, and we take the S, we turn it into a $sign. This strategy just took this password from weak to very strong. Alright, let's summarize these strategies that we've gone over. If your password is a phrase, take the first letter of each word, combine it together, and there's your password. It's still the phrase you can remember, but what you have written down is very difficult to decipher. The other strategy we learned today is take certain letters and swap them out for lookalike numbers or symbols. For example, turn A into the @ I into the exclamation point, E to 3, O to 0, and S to a $sign. Those are just a few examples of the many possibilities there are out there. Alright, what constitutes a weak password? According to Security Magazine, here are 5 of the top 10 most common passwords used in 2017. Number 1, 123456. 2 is password. 3 is welcome. 4 is ninja. And 5 is ABC123. If those passwords ring a bell to you, you might want to get started on changing them. Alright guys, I hope you have a wonderful day and thank you for joining me.